Hey, I'm Chris from Southwest Exteriors and welcome back to the Home Solutions channel. Have you recently bought a new build home? Are you maybe noticing that some of your windows might be starting to have some problems? Can you tell that maybe they weren't installed very well? If you said yes to any of these questions, we know you are frustrated. You've put thousands of dollars down to making an exciting purchase only to have to put more money into fixing the things that were brand new. Your frustration turns to curiosity and then to research, which will lead you to the one big question. Why do builders use cheap windows in new build homes? So in this video, we're going to try to answer that question by outlining the top 5 reasons home builders use cheap windows, including cost, savings, ease of access, and more. Number 1, cheap windows cost less. In the building and remodeling world, staying on budget is huge, and cheaper windows help a lot with that. They're like the generic brand in a grocery store. It does the job, and it doesn't pinch the wallet. When you're building a whole bunch of houses, these savings add up. With any product, cost and quality go hand in hand. Low quality windows are cheap, so builders save money but leave you with a project in a few years. Number 2, they're easy to find and easy to use. Ever notice how some things are just everywhere? That's how it is with cheaper windows. This availability is a big plus for builders because these cookie cutter windows are always in supply and they can get these windows fast, keeping all of their projects right on track. Number 3, they aren't concerned about longevity. Not every builder is thinking about how your house will stand up to the test of time. Sometimes it's more about the now, finishing the project and moving on. Cheap windows fit the bill perfectly for this mindset. They work fine initially, but they might not be the champions of longevity. Number 4, they're easy to install. These cookie cutter windows are exactly as they sound, cut to fit the most common window sizes. If a window does not properly fit the opening, many installers will just fill the space with caulk, which isn't a proper or long-term solution to the problem. This can lead to gaps around your windows, allowing drafts and moisture to enter around your windows and into your home. Number 5, risk management. Construction sites can be unpredictable. Things get broken, stuff goes missing. That's where the cheaper windows come in as a sort of safety net. If a window gets damaged, replacing it won't hit the budget too hard. It's a practical choice like using plastic cups for your backyard barbecue instead of your best glassware. Cookie cutter windows versus custom windows. Builders have their reasons for going with cheaper windows. From saving bucks to playing it safe, when considering overall costs, risks involved, and their concern for longevity, you can probably see why most builders opt for the cheaper option. However, this doesn't mean that cheap windows are the right solution for your home. While they do cut costs for builders and are more budget-friendly for any homeowner looking to replace their windows, it's important to remember that cost and quality go hand in hand. Cheaper windows may be okay for you if you don't plan on living in your home for very long or aren't concerned about the quality and longevity of your windows. Custom windows are best for long-term homeowners who want to do their project once and do it right, but they do cost more. Finding the right windows for you all depends on your wants, goals, and needs for your home. You must first outline what you want to get out of your new windows and how much you want to spend, and so much more. Whether you have cheap windows in your home or are looking to replace your faulty windows, you want to know which type of window is better for you. Affordable windows from a big box store or custom windows. The article linked above compares custom windows to windows from a big box store in cost, quality, and more. Then you'll have a better understanding of how different types of windows stand against each other and which is better for you. Thank you so much for stopping by the Home Solutions channel, where we want you to have the look you love coming home to.